Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the apps and notification section, then go to the special app access, and then install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Google Chrome, and then just tap on this slider here and allow from this source. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. You can do the same operation with the other apps from this list, no idea, maybe files. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.